Let's look at these three types of enclosures and find out what makes them different from one another. First, let's talk about the NEMA 3R rating. According to NEMA, the definition of a 3R enclosure is as follows. Enclosures constructed for either indoor or outdoor use to provide a degree of protection to personnel against access to hazardous parts, to provide a degree of protection of the equipment inside the enclosure against ingress of solid foreign objects such as falling dirt, to provide a degree of protection with respect to harmful effects on the equipment due to the ingress of water, rain, sleet, or snow, and that will be undamaged by the external formation of ice on the enclosure. With the protection I just mentioned, it is very common to see these types of enclosures being used in outdoor locations. NEMA 3R enclosures are very popular among electrical contractors because they provide the protection that is needed in most cases, while also providing significant cost savings over NEMA 4 and NEMA 4X style enclosures. So in most cases, a NEMA 3R enclosure will be adequate for outdoor use and will also meet most electrical codes. So in what cases do you need to use a NEMA 4 enclosure, and what are the differences that exist in comparison to the NEMA 3R? NEMA 4 enclosures provide all of the same protections found in the NEMA 3R definition, with the exception of two additional protection elements. First is the added protection against wind-blown dust particles. The other is protection against hose-directed water. So while NEMA 3R does provide some water protection, NEMA 4 enclosures provide a superior level of protection against water and force-driven rain, as well as fine dust particles that may be driven by the wind. The reason that NEMA 4R enclosures provide this additional protection is that they use a gasket material to prevent water or dust from entering the enclosure, while the NEMA 3R enclosures rely on enclosure design and gravity to assist in diverting water and dust. So while NEMA 4R enclosures can be found in many of the same places a NEMA 3R enclosure may be located, they offer an extra level of protection and in many cases are preferred, especially in scenarios where the devices located within the enclosure are more expensive or sensitive to dust and moisture. Lastly, let's talk